Welcome to Homeland's Homestead, we're so glad you're here. Now sit right back and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It really helps us to grow and it's always free.
So you don't have to go that far up. That's good. GoPro, stop recording.
Hello folks, welcome back. This is a continuation from the other day. Now, what I'm doing this morning here, I'm splitting up the wood, and I'm going to show you here. Dad, he come up with a genius way that it won't tie both me and Mom up here. I can just come out here and do it in the mornings and afternoons before he gets home from work. All this does right here, all it is like a pulley. I'll get up there at the front and I'll show you here, but this rope right here, it loops back behind that bolt there, runs over top here. That pulls the backhoe boom down to split it. And then this one right here, it'll pull this one up here to pull it up some. All right, let's get started. Alright folks, even though it's a really powerful machine, we still come across pieces like this sometimes. Just like this one right here. We ain't going to try splitting it, we just don't want to tear this up here. All we'll do, we'll take that maul here and we'll knock it off. Now I ain't going to bore you too much more, we'll be working on it more this weekend.
Well, folks, there's another chore done. We got our wood split up. Between that and what we got down in the woodshed down there at the house, I think we'll be okay on the big wood.
Still got a good couple pallets
Yeah,
there.
I'm going to get a couple pallets of that wood from the hardwood flooring place. It's a sawmill. It's kiln drying wood. We'll be showing you that later on. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all can see here. Hope y'all have a blessed evening. Thank you again for watching.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.